Do you want to create a transition like this for your edit? So let's go into After Effects. Start by adding an adjustment layer between your two footage clips. Cut the extra parts of the layer. Now add the S-shake effect. Move to the center of the layer and set the frequency and amplitude values just like I did. Add a keyframe for amplitude, then press U. Now use the I and O keys to jump to the beginning and end of the layer and set the value to 0. Select all the keyframes and press F9. That's it for the shake effect. For the lens flare effect, add another adjustment layer and cut the extra parts. Add the VCC lens flare effect. Then click on FX Editor. From the presets, choose Star 9, which is the one I used. Adjust the light and beam a little, bring them closer and move them to the corner. Then set the values in this section, just like mine. And hit apply. In the flicker section, set the amount to 60. To animate it, add a keyframe for position at the start of the layer and adjust it like mine. Then add keyframes for brightness and scale and set them according to my settings. Press T and add an opacity keyframe. Finally, select these keyframes and press F9.